keep doing it.
Push.
There's some. If you don't have rabies, how about you have my babies? I'm stressed out.
But anyways, hand and bring. Yay!
But we're gonna cook Austrian food. We're making goulash, and there's millions of different types of goulashes. Okay, but this is like an Austrian type of goulash. Okay, just leave me alone.
Let me wear my special slippers.
No!
Let me wear my special
guys, they
slippers.
apparently prepared slippers for me, and it's ridiculous. I feel ridiculed.
Okay, are you ready?
Like,
Do you like my slippers?
no.
My slippers! No, my slippers! My slippers! She took my slippers! No! He doesn't deserve it! He doesn't deserve it! Usually how it goes is the guest, okay, in this case, Kiara, okay, is the brain, and I am the hand, so I do no thinking whatsoever. I will default to you.
I don't have the recipe.
Well, that's kind of on you now, girl. We had 2 hours to get ready, so, you know.
We need to start cooking.
No, we're in a hurry. Okay.
Cut beef into 2-inch, 5 to 6 centimeter cubes. Okay, where's the beef?
Okay.
I don't know how much that is. Maybe...
5 centimeters?
Honestly, just make it into nice cubes.
Oh, 2 inches is 5 centimeters?
Just a little,
really?
Not quite bite-sized cubes. Yeah.
So nice small block-ish.
Yes, that's good. That's good. That's good. You know the spaghetti eating, like sharing one spaghetti.
Yeah.
What if you cut from that side, I cut from that side?
Oh yeah, okay.
Wow.
Whoa.
This feels so romantic.
This is my first hand and brain where I cut together too.
What?
It's so intimate.
Peel onions and cut them in half lengthwise. God, this is so heavy. My God.
I like the heft of my
This is so
cleaver.
huge.
I like Chinese cleavers because I like how heavy it is, so it just feels like you have to do less work to actually clean it. Or to use it.
Oh, this is huge. I can barely see what I'm doing. Oh, my eyes!
Oh my God.
Ah!
I'm telling you, it stings though.
Next step is heat
She
1
stings.
tablespoon clarified butter or oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Then we sear the beef, turning them occasionally until it's browned, about 5 to 10 minutes.
Okay.
Baba, skibbity.
Testa.
I keep on getting covered up by the thing.
My alert? Yeah. We'll move the alert.
Move it! I have the in my face. I do totally not enjoy that, having your in my face.
You don't? No,
No, get them out of my face.
You don't? Down. Oh.
We're cooking!
She be sizzling.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
This one might not be ready.
KFP, why can my cooking streams not look like this, huh? Everything's so scuffed when I do it.
Okay, onions go in. I think that was the next one.
And the sliced onions in the pot cook for 8 to 10 minutes over high heat, stirring steadily. Reduce heat to medium-low and cook until the onions are golden brown and soft.
Oh, so caramelized?
I guess after 8 to 10 minutes, you reduce the heat. What? That's like ages, okay?
Yeah, caramelized takes really long. But I mean, if it's on high heat, it probably won't take that long. But I'm just worried about the deglazing.
They should be golden brown and soft at the end.
Because the fond is kind of going crazy right now.
Later, you add tomato paste, majoran, caraway seeds, and paprika to the onions. It doesn't sound so far like there's...
no stock? Okay. I added only
there
the
might be later
teeniest
still.
bit of water though. Because for the deglazing. I didn't add so much to make it into a soup or anything.
You don't have red wine, do you?
I do have red wine. I have...
Honestly, we kind of need it. Can't have a goulash, a beef goulash without red wine.
Okay, hold on. I bought caraway seeds. I know I did. Okay. Caraway seeds, how much? Oh, as I'm actively sprinkling in already.
5 seconds?
Okay, that was 5 seconds. That seemed like a lot. I'm not gonna lie. That seemed like quite a bit.
Paprika and tomato paste.
Paprika and tomato paste. Okay.
Yeah.
How much tomato? Oh, okay. I guess we don't know. What does your Austrian heart say, Kiwawa? We're gonna.
I'm sure there's like an actual list of how much of each thing. Right?
They do. It's on the top probably. But what does your Austrian heart say?
What is this? Oh.
Tomato paste.
In that form, I see.
Yeah, it's not the
No tube.
toothpaste type.
Shoot, all of it.
All of it? Okay. You gotta listen to your Austrian heritage now.
But we need a ton of paprika. That's what I know.
Okay, I did add in quite a bit.
Okay.
And then add some wine.
Let's get drunk.
How much wine, chef?
Stop asking me these questions. I'm stressed out.
We'll add it up to deglaze it.
Sure. Yeah. That's good. That's good. Oh, that looks beautiful.
Just enough to deglaze and get all the caramel off of the bottom of the pot. Nice rich color.
Don't we want the beef to also get some of that
Yes,
juice?
we do. And then I'm gonna, look at all the extra juices.
Oh.
All the beef juices. Okay. I don't think this is enough liquid. Is this usually this much liquid, or do you usually braise it with more?
Okay,
and then I'm gonna.
But they said that they immediately add vinegar.
Vinegar.
Do not saute longer, since paprika will get bitter if cooked for too long. To be on the safe side, you can add all the spices except paprika. Saute them for 1.5 minutes to 1 minute. Now add paprika and stir for only. Immediately add vinegar, followed by a cup of 240 milliliters water. Finally, they write an amount here.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we'll add some wawa. Well, I mean, we already added the white wine, the red wine, so we probably don't need all
It
the
does
wawa.
say stir well and let the onion mix. There's no beef.
It's okay.
Reduce
We're taking some liberties here.
until almost all liquids have evaporated, about 15 minutes.
We can season it towards like your own. Oh, I think I ran out of beef bouillon. Okay, well, we're gonna Chinese it up. MSG! Yay!
MSG!
It's a fusion now. Austrian and Chinese.
What?
Salt? Salt? How much salt, chef?
I don't know. This is fine for now. If we can check later,
more?
because you also added MSG, and I don't know really about MSG.
MSG is not that salty. MSG is more
HQ.
MSG is more savory than salty. Wait, what are we doing now? Dumplings.
Okay.
It's over.
Cream
dumplings.
cheese should I think just be fine.
They were saying ricotta and cottage cheese. They did not say cream cheese.
Yeah, this I guess not really tofu.
And then it's a large.
One large egg.
So please,
I'll crack it.
yeah, please crack an egg for me, chef. Well, I wash my hands.
You're so cold, little baby.
Does Chihuahua know to be careful around you? I'm not gonna eat her. What are you alluding to, chat?
Wheat semolina.
Oh, so in this case, probably just like the 4 tablespoons of flour, probably. Because I couldn't find the wheat semolina.
Next, we need 3 tablespoons of dry fine breadcrumbs.
This one I have.
The thing is,
panko
is not fine at all.
I was saying that maybe, that's why I was kind of crushing it earlier, but we can get a food processor and process it.
You have a food processor?
Yeah, I can do that.
Fun.
Oh! So, maybe a bit more.
Oh!
We can mix maybe that one and this one for the dusting, so we have a bit of options, selection.
We will also need
3 tablespoons.
Are we sure we're mixing it right like now? Because sometimes you gotta do things in like different like.
Oh, I think I read ahead earlier.
Okay,
it says mix all dough ingredients with a fork until you get a nice smooth batter.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't see that.
So I think that was good.
And we need 1/3 of a cup of all-purpose flour.
All third of a cup. Oh,
45
because we don't have the semolina. That's why. So we're gonna add the flour twice. I'm gonna grab some saran wrap for this guy. You'll see her full bird feathers if you change the camera. That would not be bueno. If you see her tails, you'll go blind. So noodles, how should we start making the spatzel? Is that what it's called?
1 large egg, 2/3 cups, and 3 tablespoons water. 200 milliliter water.
Okay. I got a water thingy here. It might not be the most exact, but we should be able to get a little something. A single egg. And some wawa and 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Okay.
Wawa?
Hey, wawa. I want some wawa.
In a mix of whisk, egg, and water until well combined. First, we mix.
Oh,
And
So this
then we add flour and salt until we get a lump-free and pretty thick sticky batter. Do you like to mix things just with your hand?
My
Because
hand?
we're gonna add like flour and stuff. No, I mean rather than like a kitchen machine.
Oh, no, just, yeah. I just do everything with chopsticks, but my chopstick
Do you not
is
have
now
a
dirty.
whisk?
I'm Chinese, girl. Everything is with a chopstick. What do you
That's
mean?
not a chopstick.
Well, my chopstick now has goulash on it, so one more. Should we get a?
You really don't have a whisk?
I do. I have a whisk.
You do?
I just don't like using
Why
it.
are you trying to terrorize me with no whisking?
Okay,
It hurts.
let me get a whisk.
Please.
Okay. We have this. That's good. We start boiling it now. Do you think we should make the noodles now, even though the beef technically isn't fully ready?
It's fine because even when we make the spätzle and then it's cooled down, this will heat it up again by just placing it over.
Oh, so like having the residual heat won't make it like mushy or anything like that, right? No. It won't overcook it?
No.
Okay. I'm gonna have the water boiling. We just have regular water boiling and that's good, right? Nothing, nothing special. Do we need to season this? Okay.
I'm thinking salted water.
Salt.
Yeah, and then with a spatula, we want to like scrape it.
I will try my best to execute. Yay, I'm excited.
Wait, you're doing it. Okay.
Wait, but I don't think it's getting pushed down.
No, it's perfect. I mean, not very. Yeah, but just give it some time. Give it some time. Give it some time.
Is it supposed to be that slow? I figure it was
the batter
faster.
might be a little bit, the holes are a little bit small, but like it's working. It's working. Give it some time. Just keep on pushing.
I'm pushing.
You're doing it.
Push.
There's some holes you're not using over here.
Oh, okay. Use all my holes. I'm pushing.
Use all of your holes.
I'm gonna use all my holes
available.
I'm gonna push.
It's working. It will just take a while. We don't have the perfect tool for it, but we have a good tool for it. Let's go, Spätzle.
I'm pushing.
Oh, that was some. Okay. There's some weirdos coming out of your holes.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
You went through one
my
filling
holes are
here.
beautiful.
Get some more.
My noodle babies are beautiful. Don't say that. They get self-conscious.
Once they're floating at the top, they're basically done. But let's just get through the whole thing. They can't really be.
Or maybe we'll do
overcooked,
like half, maybe even a third, because it takes a while to push through the holes.
You're giving up so easily.
Because the noodles are noodling. That looks good, right?
It's amazing. Oh, she
Chewy.
likes it.
Nice. Is it hot?
I will try to.
I'm a little scared.
See,
I don't want to.
they're perhaps a little bit too small overall, but it's better than having like huge scoops that
I think the texture and the flavor is real good though.
They look really funny. Face.
Wait, what happened?
My face is not. It's not seeing me. I'm here.
Oh.
I'm here. There we go.
Oh yeah, I got too close to the camera.
So yeah.
Damn.
You don't really understand how this is funny unless you. Hello, face. Hello.
Sorry, I'm shoving sugar and strawberries right now. It's tough out there, guys. It's tough out there. Okay, dumplings.
You're doing it.
You just wrap it, right?
Yeah.
How thick should the dumpling be,
That's
though?
fine.
Okay.
I would say so. Oh my god, this is gonna be so good. I hope you're not living on a jet plane.
I don't know that song. Is this too much butter, by the way?
Never too much butter. If you don't have rabies, how about you have my babies? Oh!
Okay. I was gonna say I was making your mama foam out her mouth last night too, but that's different, I guess. But we'd be making. Oh, it's getting caramelized.
Probably. Brown is. I think caramel. Get it in there. Get it in there. Don't make it burn.
I think we need way more breadcrumbs.
Way more. Actually, we probably need more butter too.
Oh my.
No, that's the minimum. That's the bare minimum.
You're toasting it with butter, so it shouldn't be.
You want a lot of this.
It shouldn't be a batter. It should be like a crumb. More butter? Girl, any more butter is gonna just become wet. Oishi.
Close. Needs more sugar.
Needs more sugar. Okay, I'm gonna put this stuff here so when the dumpling is done, we can toss it in front of here.
Yeah.
So we're gonna boil water. Okay, everything.
But wait, you are actually gonna. But then it's warm. Should we not eat the goulash first and then because?
Oh, we were gonna. I was gonna serve everything together, just to have a taste of everything together. Is that enough?
Yeah, for now. Yum 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 yum. It's food time.
I'm gonna get some more meat in here. Let's try. Itadakimasu.
Itadakimasu.
The beef looks pretty. Oh yeah, the beef is pretty tender.
Okay.
Here you go. Oh, it's so strong. It's really good. She's thinking about it. What do you think?
Maybe a tiny bit of salt was not necessary. But besides that, it's perfect. Although I need more
too
sauce.
salty. More sauce. The little sugar plum, the sugar plum dumplings.
Who made that song?
Tchaikovsky.
Girl knows her stuff.
Oh, I think it's Tchaikovsky. Tchaikovsky does all of the ballets. I'm gonna grab one just to test it.
Yes. Sorry, I was a little bit too excited.
Okay, I'm gonna grab a plate.
Am I in Austria or what?
It smells so good. I'll move it out of the way so you can see it better. Okay. Have a bite, princess. Tell me if it's good, princess.
Sorry. Can we have
Too hot?
Too
hot? A fork?
I do like to have a knife.
A knife? Okay.
And a fork. I am curious about how the strawberry will be in there. Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
Oh,
Can we have a bit
normal?
more extra crumbs around? Yeah, this is fine. Oh, well, you covered the beautiful strawberry.
Oh, I thought you wanted a bit more texture on the strawberry part.
Oh. Okay, let's like, oops. Okay.
And if it's cooked, I'll fish all of them out. Is it good? She's nodding.
Really good.
She's-
Need more crumbs.
Okay, okay. But we still have tons of crumbs. Honestly, you can just take the crumbs home too if you want. Oh, the inside sugar has melted, so it's made like a syrup. Oh, she a juicy boy. Okay, I'm gonna get a little bit of crumb on mine.
Do you like
too.
sweet things?
I do. I have a sweet tooth, but it's very like Chinese style, so it's like not too sweet kind of a thing. So I like it, but I don't like it too overpowering. Strawberry with some sugar syrup,
Gorgeous.
some dumpling, and some extra crumbs.
So basically, you can do these dumplings with pretty much every fruit. And also with chocolate filling. Anything works.
Crunchy with the crumbs.
More crumbs, more crumbs! Yeah, I do think like it needs a bit more sweetness, but besides that is the texture and everything, the how well cooked the strawberries, everything is perfectly according to keikaku.
Yeah.
Keikaku means plan. Our streams are always very nice, always very fun, and always very creative and very tasty. Taste. Stream tasty. Yeah.
Everything tasty. But thank you for coming.
You can learn cooking from her.
Make sure you also go follow Wawa, guys. I'm sure everybody already follows you. I don't think but if you don't, if for whatever reason you did not, please go follow Wawa. Please go support her concert. Go grab the tickets.
Twitch account now that you
On
have
Twitch.
rated before, right?
I did.
And I rated into you.
I did. Go support the concert if you have the opportunity or the chance to, because you can still watch it virtually if you don't have the ability to fly out. So please go support. But thank you for coming. No, it's still locked. Oh, wait, you can see it here.
Yeah, here.
Yes, interlace.